It's beautiful. This is one of my favorite things to do. Just go hike and be one with nature. This really cool tree.
What?
Yeah. Yesterday we went eagle watch, and they have trails and like little bird watching stations set up, and they had the coolest tree there, and I climbed up in it and I had to jump down before I got too far just because it's been a while and it got scary. And there was all kinds of trails in the water. Oh my gosh, in the water. There's all kinds of trails in the dirt next to the water. It was just really cool.
So, where trails are on the ground.
But it was right next to the water is why there were so many.
Not trails, tracks.
Tracks. Oh,
just
yeah.
stop.
Dang it.
You don't know. You don't know what you're talking about. Just stop. You look dumb. Jeez. That right there seems to be a pretty little thorn. Mm-hmm.
Thorns.
Those heaven's thorns, just like every cowboy sings a sad song.
You know what really grinds my gears? When someone's like a stick up on your ass and, well, they just won't get off your back. They just lean on you for everything. That was a good one. You missed it. Oh yeah, you guys see my fanny pack? You know, just coming prepared. You know, just being fashion forward out here in the woods. One thing that's very vital for humans out in nature is shitholes.
I wouldn't be zooming in too close because it's probably what that is.
Nuh-uh. Really?
Oh.
I was joking. That's a poop hole. That's real gross. You never know about here, dang rednecks.
Better than shitting on the leaves and stepping in it.
Could you imagine stepping on a human turd? Ew.
Oh.
I would vomit for sure. 100%. There's another little tie off. I hear some animals moving around. Look, somebody tried to build something. Oh, maybe not. Might have just fell.
What?
That'd be a cool little fort starter right here.
White over there.
I don't know. Bird poop. I don't know. Look at this. Could you imagine if this was like the beginning of your fort? You could just stack it. What's that called? An A-line or lean-to or something. That would be nice. Nice and strong. These are the real trails. That's where we were a while ago, across the way.
Which way you want to go?
Look at all these hills.
Let's go this way.
Okay.
Actually, I bet this way goes.
Look, that would be cool on a bike because it just like,
I don't know, it's what it's made for.
well, it'd be so much fun.
I bet this goes, that piece up there, went back and around and came down this way, huh?
Probably.
Yeah.
Oh shit, see there's a biker. I feel like I'm one of those Australian hunters. Watch out, mate, they could be anywhere.
Oh, crikey.
Oh crikey. We just witnessed the real biker there. She's dangerous, gotta stay back.
British or Australian.
I told you, I'm really bad at accents. I used to be really good when I did them all the time. Back in school, or at least I thought I was good. I don't know, I might not be. Oh shit, let's get out the way. No, never mind.
What the hell are you talking about? You're going the other way.
The biker was coming right up on us. Luckily it made it top 10. Therefore our lives are now safe. We gotta watch our backs now. Never know when one might be creeping up on you. got the bumps on it.
It's not gonna fall.
I wish I could go all the way out, but I'm a little scared.
Just walk through.
No, I'm not.
Why?
Because I'm scared.
You wanna go up there?
Yeah, if you want to go first.
This was me 100% pruning out. Yep, that's what that's called.
Jawbone.
Mm-hmm. Whoop.
Careful.
I'm
There's
careful.
a tree to hold on to.
Look, there's a jawbone right here of what I believe to be a deer.
It is.
So that's cool. I mean, not cool that the deer died, but you know, cool that we found its remains.
There's probably somebody shot it and then left it.
We found
Fox shit up here.
a herc tree. It's called the bumps on it.
Did you hear me?
What is it?
There's fox shit up here.
No way.
Get away.
What's that sound?
My phone. I don't know why it was doing that.
Here's some geese. Where are they at?
Right over there, they just landed.
Oh. There's the city lake over
You wanna
there.
come up here and look at it, or are you gonna?
Oh, I thought you were going all the way across. I could have probably went up there.
I ain't going all the way across there.
Alright, let's get down.
Come all the way back.
Oh, Lord
Are
have
you gonna go all the way
mercy.
across there?
No, I'm not. Oh.
Be careful. Damn, this is.
Go, 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 go. You can do it.
I don't doubt it.
I'm trying to sound like that guy off of Adam Sandler's movies.
Oh, off of Long Shore.
Yeah, he's like, you can do it.
Wasn't it Long Shore?
He's on almost every movie.
Yeah, it's Rob Schneider.
Yeah, Rob Schneider. Ugh, there we go. Back on the trail we go.
I missed the fox shit.
Apparently some fox have been up there in that tree. And I would not doubt it, because it's kind of fun. To climb up on the trees. My battery is about to die, so if
You
it
knew
does,
we were coming. Why didn't you charge your camera up?
I don't know.
Battery.
I don't know. Anyways, it's been fun. And I will catch you guys later, and if I don't, then bye, and I'll see you in the next vlog.